Back home now, buoyed by the historic accomplishment of their senior counterparts, Jamaica's under-17 Reggae Girlz are in intensive preparation ahead of the qualifiers for the CONCACAF Under-17 Championship. Karen Madden caught up with the team as they trained at the UWI and Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence on Tuesday and filed this report.
The senior Reggae Girlz created history earlier this month when they advanced to the round of 16 at the just concluded FIFA Women's World Cup, becoming the first Caribbean team, men or women, to do so since Cuba in 1938. It came as they competed at a historic consecutive World Cup, and the development has been cited as a source of inspiration for Jamaican girls and women. Reggae Girlz Under-17 head coach Hugh Bradford underscored how the senior team's performance will impact their young counterparts.
Oh, it's tremendous. I mean, you can't even put words into how important that is. It's very important to me for your 17s, your 20s, and your senior team to be all tied together, and the progression of those players going through. But I talk to the players about, are they watching what they like and all of that. So this is tremendous for them to be able to see our senior team go out and perform the way they did, and to encourage them that anything is possible, because now they can look up and say, hey, we can be the next group that go in and be able to do this. So this is great for the country, and it's great for these young players.
Bradford, who joined the team for the first time on Tuesday, is also head coach of the Under-20 squad and will have Destiny Powell from that unit, which recently contested the CONCACAF Under-20 Championship. Outside of Powell, Bradford saw other positives in the squad.
I love the energy of the players. You can see that they want to learn. So just having somebody come in and start, I feel obviously they don't know me and don't know what to expect, but just seeing them, the changes that they make as I'm demanding more and more for them, they're starting to make those positive change, and I love that about them. They're not afraid to try things.
Bradford will have former national senior player Alicia James as his assistant coach.
To me, it's tremendous. There's things that she brings that no matter how hard I try, I can't bring to the table. And for someone that has done everything that they want to do, there's nothing better than that. And for me, I am very pleased that that's who I have, and that we get the opportunity for these young ladies to talk to somebody who have walked in their shoes and can demonstrate and can show them and lead them in the direction that they need to go to be able to make it to the senior team if that's their goal.
The young Reggae Girlz will face Panama on Friday at 6 p.m. before they face them again on Sunday at 4 p.m. Both games will be played at Sabina Park with free admission to football fans. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.